Two people stand in the same moment, same place, same starting line. In front of them lies the same amount of money, $1,000. Nothing more, nothing less. No one is smarter here. No one has an advantage. The conditions are equal. The world around them is identical. Same economy, same rules of time. There is no pressure, no urgency, just a quiet decision waiting to be made. One person will move the money forward. The other will leave it exactly where it is. At this moment, nothing seems to change. No gain, no loss. But time does not pause, even when people do. Both choices feel safe. Both feel reasonable. Both feel harmless. But over time, only one of them will stay that way. This person chooses to do nothing. The money stays exactly where it is, untouched, unmoved. It feels safe. Nothing is at risk. Nothing can go wrong. Days pass, then months, then years. The number does not change. 1,000 remains 1,000. But the world does not stand still. Prices quietly rise. Food costs more. Rent costs more. Everything slowly costs more. The money looks the same, but it feels smaller. No alarm sounds. No warning appears. Inflation does not announce itself. It simply waits. Each year, the money buys a little less. Time is still making a decision, even when you don't. The money was not lost, but something else was. Opportunity. This person makes a different choice. The money is moved forward. Not quickly, not emotionally. There is no excitement, no rush, just intention. Once the decision is made, the waiting begins. The money enters a system designed to move. Some days it rises, some days it falls. Nothing is guaranteed in the short term, and that uncertainty makes many people quit. But this person does not watch. They do not interfere. They let time do what time does best. Weeks turn into months. Months turn into years. Growth builds on top of growth. Even small gains begin to matter. There are setbacks. They always come. But the system recovers. It usually does. Over time, the movement accelerates. Not because of effort, but because of compounding. The same money now behaves differently. It works, even while its owner waits. And eventually, it returns larger than before. Not from luck, from patience. Now both paths meet again. The people are the same. They always were. Same starting point, same amount of money. Only the behavior was different. One chose to move the money forward. The other chose to leave it still. At first, the difference was invisible. Nothing dramatic happened in a year, or even two. But time was always working. Now the outcomes sit side by side. One stack has grown, the other has not. The gap did not appear suddenly. It formed slowly, quietly. No single moment caused it, just many small moments of action and inaction. The person did not change. The world did not change. only the decision did. Time rewarded movement and exposed waiting. This is not luck. It is cause and effect. The same money, two different futures. Time never stops, even when people do. Money either moves with it or falls behind. Doing nothing is still a decision. It feels safe at first, but safety fades when time passes. This was never about becoming rich. It was about not standing still. The choice is always small. The effect is not.